What is up, guys? Froden Boys coming back at you today with another vlog. This one's gonna be a little different than what we're used to with motorcycles. I just wanted to show you guys something that I've had for a while, but I don't think I've ever shown you guys. So, one second, let's go right outside. Alright guys, this is my 1962 Mercury Comet. This is my dog George, in the way of it. My mom and I are working on it today. You gonna give it a start?
Choke. Yeah.
Okay. So as you can see right now, it's in pretty rough shape. We're gonna take it down to the power washing place and just give it a little power wash. We're actually getting ready to sell it right now. This was my first car that I ever bought. I was 15 and a half, and I saved up all my money and bought this car. I just haven't showed it to you guys on this channel yet, so I thought we'd show you guys the process before we sold it. Here's the interior. Beautiful car in my opinion.
Oh shit, it went something like this. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the bitches, slapping the hoes. Went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out there, cold shooting some hoops. I'm slapping the hoes, 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 slapping the hoes.
Get the fuck out!
Boy, cause I ain't said shit.
Alright guys, so that was my 1962 Mercury Comet. We're going to be throwing it up on Craigslist here pretty soon, so hopefully we can get rid of it because we don't really have a need for it anymore. It's just sad to see it go with it being my first car and everything. But that should be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time.